A new radio personality is Dorothea Towles. The grace and charm that have made her a top fashion model in New York and Paris carry over the airwaves, making her a popular commentator on the women's world. It's an informal morning show in which she and partner Evelyn Robinson discuss subjects of especial interest to the fair sex. Just emerging as a radio personality, she's already a well-known figure in the world of fashion. Dorothea's charm and talent have carried her far along the road to fame since that Paris holiday when she met Christian Dior, who convinced her to start a career as a model. Quite a turnabout from Texas-born Dorothea's original ambition to become a biology teacher. Meet Vera Francis, promising young starlet and model. She divides her time between Hollywood, where she made her first screen appearance in The President's Lady, and modeling in New York. A call for photographs sends her searching through her collection. Each pose suggests a different mood. You can be certain you'll be seeing more of her stunning beauty.